थोड़ा I hope you all can see it.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
So this is a fun brown bag that I've taken up. It is like this. कोई brand है, Aero उसका है. And the art, I think मैं इसको, am I audible now? Am I
Yes,
audible?
yes, yes, absolutely.
Because these mics are actually hampering my movement. Okay, so this is a bag. I have just collected a newspaper. I think I'd asked you all to get the art materials.
Yes.
ma'am.
A
They
few
have.
colors. What is important is Fevicol. So, can I just focus it on this? No, I think I'll do it.
Great. I can see children also ready with the material.
I think all the kids are ready with the material. So, okay, kids, come, let's start with our work now. I have a few colors. I think it's audible. I mean, it's better.
Yes.
So, this is actually, I put up a tray, arranged everything, my colors, and I didn't have much sketch pens, so I just have 3 or 4 colors of sketch pens. I think you all must be having more than me for that. So let's start with it. What would you all want to make? I mean, एक वो ऐसे ही पेड़ बना देते हैं, बहुत जल्दी बन जाएगा, है ना?
Sure.
Or something. Very, very, very fast how it goes on. But then with a collage, I would like to give you all some more tricks to make it look a bit better. थोड़ा सा advance कर देते हैं collage को. Collage को I think we all are used to make it, but here's something to it. I take a newspaper. Now there's a nice yellow color. I think I'm going to use. And remember, for collage, avoid using scissors. Please don't use scissors. Avoid using scissors, actually. So this yellow color, randomly I'm tearing it. And you need a bit of white as well. So see, I'm not tearing it in a very specific edges. I don't want the edges to be sharp. So just using some, whatever there is in the newspaper. So there's lots of yellow in it. So I'm using this yellow again. Or if you want, I think we can even make a face. Would you want to make a face or a tree?
Let's go with the face.
Face. Because I've got lots and lots of yellow. So I think a yellow face will look nice. This is too edgy, so I just need to cut it off. A bit of this.
Hangings of masks are also very trendy. So now we can have bags with masks on them.
Yeah, that would also look very good. But then, see, I think I've made an oval. Just put it haphazardly. A semicircle बना दिया अभी. I hope all the kids are making, or you're just seeing. Just try any color of your choice. I would want you all to make as well. Any color. Look, my newspaper had lots of yellow, so I picked up yellow. You can use whatever color you have. Any color of your choice.
And you can make any shape, children.
Any shape is
I
very
said earlier, there are no right and wrong in creativity.
Yeah, exactly. And you know, the more haphazard face you're going to draw or make, it's going to be the most creative ones. Look at all these masters who paint faces. Pablo Picasso never had a face in with the faces which we are used to see. See, so what I have done is actually I have covered that arrow stuff. I've pasted on it, so that got covered automatically. Now I think I'll add more to it. See, this is anything but an oval shape, but then quite a bit. Okay. Now, once I do this, because I'm going really fast, I want to really finish it in 10 minutes. So I'm going very fast. If you have the time, you can cut them into finer papers and then stick, or color wise also you can do. But whatever it is, leftovers. I think I have a few blue color as well. So I think I'm going to make a bit of a sky as well. How about making the sky, the background? I hope you all can see this.
Whatever you complete, children, right now, you can show right now. Others,
please,
you can send to us, we'll put up.
And when I say that, when even some great artist says that you need to be a child, so it's the reverse way. It's actually I who am going to learn from you all. Because unlearning is very, very difficult. So I think you all will help me in that. You all can see I haven't covered the lower part. I've just made it an upper part. It's looking haphazard now. I think now let me start with the coloring part. I have these a bit of fabric colors, or you can also use these poster colors if you want, or whatever thing it suits you. I'm just starting. Everything will be eventually yellow, or whatever color paper you have chosen. If you have chosen anything specific, or even if you have chosen white, even the white will become yellow this way. The benefit is using yellow over yellow is, it gives a very nice texture and gives a very different look to it. So that's why I chose yellow and then put up a yellow. Is it? Here it is. This is going to have a neck.
I can see Shreya and Arushi working along with you.
I'm just trying to make a face, however it is. It is looking like a Bajar Bhattu right now. Now, this is usually that the face you all see. Now I will try to be a bit more creative to it. How can I beautify it? Because we have all students from all classes, I think it will be easier for you all to make something like this. It's nothing very difficult.
Yes.
Now there. Before I do that, I think I'll color my background.
It can be pretty symbolic also. That also
can be symbolic also. I'm just using this blue over blue, drawing a sky. Okay, so I'm going to paint it real fast. You know what will happen, because I've pasted blue newspaper, the blue color with the blue will give a very different look to it. So it will make your, paper bag look more attractive. And because the brush had a bit of yellow in it, so it has given a very different blue. So there it goes. Because if you have the patience, you can really work. You all can also paste a piece of cloth over it and then make it. Or, the corners, you can seal it with a masking tape if you have the time. And then I think something like this. I think I'll just show something.
Yeah, that can reinforce the bag also, putting a bit of tape in the edges. This is beautiful.
This is the painting actually, but then this is the bag. I've just pasted a piece of cloth over it and then reworked it. I've actually used threads and jute and everything possible. Okay, so here it goes. Here is my thing. Now I think I'll use a bit of green. To color the background. So this background itself is very important.
That bag almost depicts the quote that you just stated about creativity, like leading a person to the widening horizons.
Exactly. Making your own horizons rather. When you're creative, you learn to create your own horizons. I think it's just going to show upside down, but this is how I have painted it right now. Now I think, let me pick up a nice color like this, orange. Just randomly going to paint a few flowers to it. I think it will be easy for the students to draw something like this. You're going to cover this part of the face with flowers. Like I said, art is not mere a mimesis. You need to just think, how would you want to be? You would want to be like beautiful flowers. And if we have the time, we can shade it. But then I think I'll use my sketch pen to shade it. The next color. I'm using a yellow ochre.
The beauty with art is we can improvise as we move along.
Exactly. It might look very kiddish, but then remember, the best art is childlike, primitive. The more primitive it is, the more beautiful it is. Now I've actually tried not to make use of too many colors because that will make my painting look very weird. So just try to by the way, these are the acrylic colors, the students' acrylic colors that I'm using. I have touched the brush on orange and used on the yellow as well, so my flowers are looking a bit shaded.
And that gives a three-dimensional effect to it.
Exactly. Now if we work them up more with the sketch pen or the marker pen, it will look all the more better. Just depends on how much time we have. And then you can keep on working on it. See.
Beautiful.
Now we can use more color. I'm using again a yellow because we are basically all the color shades with yellow, orange, lighter, lemon yellow. They're just going to look like a bunch of flowers. I would like to see what the children are making. I mean, I would really love to learn from them.
Children, you can show at whatever stages your work is, you can just hold it up to the camera and tell your name and exhibit it. Yes, Faz, Shreya, Gena.
They're busy finishing it, ma'am.
Yeah, but you don't need to finish it, children. You can complete it later. We'll put it
Yeah,
up
I'm
on
going to complete it later. See,
Right
this
now
is
you
how
can
it
just
is. I've used again a yellow color with it.
Amazing.
beautiful.
Beautiful, ma'am.
And then I'm going to give you all ideas how you can cover up the background now.
Yes, ma'am.
Because there's
Students,
no
please
restriction. I
show
can
up.
use a sketch pen, I can use a marker pen, I can use anything now. I can use the crayons as well if I want to. But then this is bold. I think I need to draw hair.
Yes, ma'am.
That was beautiful, but no time wasted in drawing. I mean, I love the idea of giving that effect with newspapers and enhancing the shades.
Exactly.
Students, please show your drawings. Ma'am will add on to it what else you can do to make it more attractive.
You can just display at whatever stage you're on and you can complete it later.
Look, even I am not shading anything right now. Very basic. I'm drawing a very basic structure. This is very brown. Now for the hair, I think I need a brown. You know what I've done? I've just outlined with a black. Now over this wet on wet, I'm going to use a brown color on it. So it will give that effect faster. Using directly. And then just brushing it.
I think your bag represents a theme like colors and creativity and eco-consciousness. That figure is showing environmental consciousness.
Sky and the earth and all the elements. We have incorporated the elements as well. Now once this brown is dried, I think I'll use a bit of yellow ochre over it so the hair will look like, it will give a 3D effect. But now since it's wet, I'm not going to work on it now. I think I'll do with the flowers. For the flowers, I'm going to just pick up this marker pen that I have. Okay. I hope you all can see it.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, because it's wet, I think it's just coming up. But I don't want to be very defined also. So it's working well with me. I think I have to wait for it. So because I don't have the time to wait, I think I'll start with my brush, black color, and just try and give it a shading effect so it looks like a 3D. Shraddha, do you want to? I have got a very beautiful assistant with me. Come on. Come
Thanks to her also for giving us so much of the time.
Hello.
Hello, nice to have you with us.
Hello. She's my sister. You want to help her behind the scenes. So I just thought that Do you want to do something?
Thank you for facilitating it for us.
Yes. Happy to help.
Shreya and Gena, could you show what you've
Please,
done?
yes, please show me. अब बाइट करें.
Just hold it up to the camera, please, Shreya.
देखो.
Beautiful.
White. White, my favorite color. I think. How much time do we have? How much time?
Ma'am,
There, ma'am, Shreya is showing her painting.
Oh wow! Beautiful, beautiful Shreya. Very well done. Lovely.
thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, dear.
You did this just now?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wow. Beautiful.
Ma'am, I would like to show you one more by painting.
Please, please go ahead.
Ma'am, this one.
Oh, very nice. Shreya, I think I remember seeing your painting in school.
But ma'am, I never met you.
You haven't met me. Someone made something like this when I was there. Very much like this.
Ma'am, this I made in lockdown. I really don't know I can paint or I can
Oh, wow.
do drawing. I just discovered this in the lockdown.
What better than to discover yourself?
Exactly.
Best use of time. Gena, you can also show. Arushi, Faz, whatever, even if it is in an intermediate stage, you can show and later on you can complete and then send. Lubena, Nitya, Divyansh, Tanishka, you can
Now
all
see
show your work.
what I'm doing to fill up my blank spaces. Just as you have the gift papers, you have something printed. So just to make it look like a printing or something like that, I'm just randomly drawing lines. So these are basically the same things, same lines with which we write L and M, and then we join the ends, and then we write A. Okay? So these are the same lines that I'm doing, just to give it a rhythmic structure. I can see ma'am with a very beautiful bag.
Yes, Kranti is also working.
Yes, ma'am.
So what have you made, Kranti? Oh, great.
I can't see it.
Ma'am, this is painting.
Oh, wow.
Crayons.
Wonderful. Beautiful. Now see, when I said every art narrates a story, see what how ma'am has done. She has narrated a story. Actually, I forgot to tell you all that if you all would want, just go through the newspaper, because we don't have that much time. You can always go to the newspaper and see. Sometimes there are figures or cartoons or something associated with it, with the editorial. So you have some live topic, you can take it and put it as a centerpiece and then paint over it. So over beneath the paint, it will just show up and it will narrate another story. See,
Yeah, that's a great idea, yes.
very basic, very basic. I'm showing you all something very basic. Just letting my hand move whichever fashion we want to. And you know something, working in rhythm is very meditative. You all will realize that when you start painting, it is like a meditation. Nothing is fixed. You can't say that I'm going to use only this color or going to put this color to the left or to the right or at 45 degrees. There's nothing specific. It just comes in randomly. And if ever possible, before you start doing with your art, just try and take a deep breath. And when you take a deep breath, actually that is the unlearning. Whatever there is there externally is going to stop influencing you. And your soul will start speaking from within. You know, I can work on these flowers for hours now, given a choice. Okay, so this is how it is. Now I think I'll just put a border to it so it will look attractive. As you all can see, I've painted it a bit green. The same green color I've put it on all the four corners. And I think the easiest thing that you can do either with this or is this pen going to work? I think it's dry now, it will work, it should work. No, it's not. I think the brush of paint is easy for me. I'll use this white. Again, I'll use this white and I'll just put a few polka dots.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, I have made a paper bag and I have covered it with blue and green color. So what more I can do in that? Can you advise
do
me?
anything. You can either paint it, stick papers, put up or directly paint a tree over it. You can paint a mask or paint a set of flowers, figures, anything. Or you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
use only black and just make an outline, the silhouette of anything, just as the way you did in your painting. You can do it that way as well.
Yes.
But then what it happens
Yes, ma'am.
usually when you draw something, put a border or something to your work, it gives it a very neat work. It makes it look very neat. It shows the
Same.
Yes.
like for instance, this one, you can see, because it has the border, I put a masking tape and then how it came up.
The finishing effect.
Yeah, come.
Tina has also done a face.
Yeah. You have to do it from one side, I do it from the other side. Yeah, we do it. Come. So I also have an assistant now. She's not an artist, but then she's trying it for the first time.
Yeah, they are so big.
Yeah. Just need to touch it. That's only on the base. Keep the brush stand. Yeah. You'll get better dots.
Learning at its best.
I think I'll do it faster.
Lena, do you want to show what you've done?
Actually, Manisha ma'am, you too could have done something.
I know. I wish I'd started earlier. But definitely, I'll try something and I'll send you the pic.
Yeah, it's a one
I'm
of the
very
best
motivated now.
free time activity actually.
Yes.
And anyways, nowadays we have art making like mandala and all these art workshops in corporate houses as well, because art actually is a therapy.
Yes.
And that is one of the reasons why we had in our Indian heritage, we had the habit of doing rangoli and the mandalas,
Yes.
because it was therapeutic. You know, when you start doing something over and over again in a rhythmic form, you get so engrossed and you get all the positive energy. And it so happens that Your body actually sends the signals to your brain, and then your brain relaxes.
And those who view,
For
they
our
also
mental well-being as well.
it's a pleasure to the viewer.
And even to the doer, I mean, the person who does art enjoys doing it.
It's a kind of meditation.
Person with coffee, right? Some shit.
Hannah, are you showing your artwork? Oh wow, that's beautiful. That's a painting or a paper
I
collage?
would like to see.
Mom, I have not completed it fully, but I have done half.
Okay, you can always do more and you can complete it later. Veena, you can also show yours.
Ma'am, I also
Wow. This will need interpretation too.
ma'am, me also.
Giving such a bag as a gift, it's a gift in itself. We don't
Yes.
need to place anything inside it.
Nana, please don't do that, because then the person will come running after me, looking out for me, like, who's this person who gave the idea?
Yeah, it's looking good enough to be shown itself. Wonderful, absolutely wonderful.
I mean, the black hasn't dried as yet. I still can't paint the yellow ochre to show you all the shading.
Ma'am, very nice.
Beautiful.
So how something like this can be converted into something like this?
Into a
And
piece of
lifted
art.
away. I think if you go to the Archie stores, you get a minimum for nothing below 100 rupees per paper.
Absolutely.
Nothing. That's, I think, the cheapest one. I really don't know the exact price, but nothing beneath 100 rupees. And see how much time did it take? Just 15 minutes, and it's done.
Wonderful.
And if you want, you can just paste the newspaper and paint it in one color. This is how it can be done.
Yes, ma'am.
Lovely. That has been a wonderful experience. Didn't get to know how time passed by. Any of you children wants to show your work?
Yeah, please show. I'm keen to see your works as well. I'm very keen to see your works.
We'll send you the pics, ma'am. I think they want to complete it, only then they want to exhibit, because
even this is not complete as yet, but then it's okay. I mean, the time frame.
Sure.
I think I'll spend another 15 minutes on it, and then it will be complete.
Wow, we'd love to have this pic, but we'll upload all the pics of the children and of your bag also together on the FB. That's
Definitely.
beautiful. It's an
Send you a
inspiration.
photograph of this bag. I would love to see what the children have made, if they have reached somewhere, even a part of it.
Yeah, otherwise we'll send it to you.
Definitely.
Taken up a lot of your time, but it's been such a beautiful
I
experience.
didn't even realize I was asking how much time left. I think I have, crossed it over. Yeah, exactly. How much is it? It's 4:40 now. Oh,
But it was a lot of fun.
oh,
Surely, can you do the formal vote of thanks?
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
put it right.
Wow.
Okay, thank you, everyone. So, to conclude this session, I would now like to propose the vote of thanks. On behalf of IAS Public School, I extend a hearty gratitude to our keynote speaker, Dr. Vimi Manoj, internationally acclaimed artist, poet, and an eminent academician who spared time from her busiest schedule to grace the occasion. Today, we had an opportunity to hear your thoughts, and this will surely be going to encourage us in our future endeavors. You explained us many things like the beauty of creativity, and like it was the first means to communicate for human beings, and that's why it would be it would play an essential role in to communicate uh, in our hearts, and like there is nothing wrong in creativity. Everybody is right. Everybody is creative in his or her own way, and no one is there to judge him or her, because creativity the meaning of creativity itself is like breaking the pre-established rules and seeing it from your own perspective. So thank you, ma'am.
Sunita.
And to attend this session, and a special mention to our honorable chancellor sir and pro chancellor ma'am for being the catalyst that stimulated us to do our best and standing players of strength. With a deep sense of appreciation, we thank our loving teachers for their untiring efforts. And last but not the least, a big thank you to each and one of you who made this webinar come workshop a memorable one for all of us. So stay safe, stay preventive, and stay tuned with IES. Thank you.